Hello, hello. This is a video about an inverter circuit or a NOT gate. Um, okay, so this is an update. I made another video about this, but I got it a little bit wrong, so I'm trying to make it more right. So this is the basic circuit. You have the battery. Negative goes to the positive of the LED, and out the negative uh, through the resistor, and then through the LED, and then back into the battery. Um, and that's when this circuit is open, when this switch is open. When this switch is closed, the circuit has less resistance, so it travels through this circuit instead of through the LED, and the LED turns off. And that's how the not gate works. I tested it and it works with any type of LED and a 120 ohm resistor. So there's some variability that you can probably put in there and it would still work. It's a safe circuit. It's a safe circuit because this resistance is always there, so it doesn't overheat the battery. And okay, so here it is. This is um, this is the LED. Um, it is positive side is to the left. Positive side is to the left. Negative side is to the right. So negative to the positive. So this is the positive input, and this is the negative input. So the negative goes through the resistor, 120 ohm, and then through the LED, and then out to positive. Yes, because it goes energy flows from negative to positive, so it goes out to the positive. But this is the short. This is the switch basically. Is when this goes across the circuit and turns on, the LED turns off because it's a easier way, less resistance, and that's what it tends to flow to. So I'll turn the batteries on. It's currently off because this is connected to short the circuit. So energy is flowing freely through the resistor right now. And then it turns on when the switch is off. So it's basically off because this is not connected to the resistor. So it's not across the leads of the LED. So that is the circuit. Pretty cool. So it works with different types of LEDs. I can just demonstrate. This white LED is a 2.8 volt to 3.6 volt. This green LED, is 2.8 volt to 3.6 volt. This red LED is 1.8 volt to 2.3 volts. So let's try that. Again, positive to the left, negative to the right. That turns on, and then when I turn on the short circuit, the LED turns off. And so now let's try with the red LED. So it doesn't require as much energy as much voltage to turn on this red LED. So it's already pretty easy energy to flow through this LED. So let's see Again, positive to the left, negative to the right. And it turns on when the circuit is open. Then I close the circuit and it turns off. And that is a inverter circuit. I didn't use any transistors. This is just a basic circuit with only a switch. So I didn't test it with a transistor yet. So this is just for a simple circuit. Okay. Have fun. Always make safe circuits. All right.